and classic car restoration at the NEC. How crazy is this? Walked in straight off the bat on the outside. There's a Mercedes 190e, 1.8 litre, absolute chef's kiss, let me tell you. It's so beautiful. I can already see like so many things. I believe this is the auction bit here. So I believe all of these cars are for sale. I know.
For sale?
I know, yeah.
For sale?
But we got invited here with our friends from Rtech, so thank you Rtech for that. And yeah, let's show you guys around.
So last time we were at
Race Retro
again with Rtech. We saw the auction and we couldn't get that close, but this time we can just
we're up close and personal.
Obviously not touch, but
we can look a lot, very in depth.
Oh, I'm seeing Supras, I'm seeing Mercedes, I'm seeing Porsches. Dang. Although everything here already restored, I think, so probably out of our budget, but dang. 944.
And it's really hard to find a clean 944 as well.
These are super hard to find. Most of these are absolutely rotten.
The interiors normally are okay on them, but the outside and the sills are like crusty.
The only thing you tend to see is the dash cracking and things like that, and the rear spoiler cracking as well, fading. But yeah, I mean, look, they've got a little bus going for the bidding.
That's a bar.
They've got a bar in there, but that's sort of like the private area. So.
Honey,
this is our time to buy one. It's honestly insane. And you've just got on-hand restorations, I guess?
People just restoring their cars here.
Which is insane. So I know this isn't all Jap, so it's not what some of you guys are used to seeing on the channel, but all of these guys, absolutely loving it. Let's go take a look at some of the other cars. What's going on? Lex has already found a flippy flappy Silica 4-wheel drive version as well.
This is what we like. This is what we want. This could be my new daily.
Let's see, what's the estimation? 20 to 25. To be honest, in that condition, in that clean condition,
how insane is that?
there's barely a scratch.
You hardly find them that clean, like ever.
I'm seeing more cars for sale that we want to see, so we're gonna go away from the auction because we're not paying auction fees. But damn, what a steal, guys! No, this is not our style, but something has caught our eye. Is that a Mr. 2?
That is a Mr. 2. That looks like Misty.
That looks exactly like Misty.
It's not Misty. Like that.
Just saying, this is what I could have got for mine. Kip, if you're watching, you've got an absolute bargain on the MR2.
It's got fog lights though. Yours didn't have fog lights.
It's a fog light version, so it's not as rare as the one that I had before, but really shiny. Same actual colour as the one that I sold recently. Wheels and everything. To be honest,
blue interior,
this same blue interior.
Headliner.
Headliner's black, which is the rare again. 3-piece spoiler, which is the one that Kip's got on his. Tips are immaculate. It reminds me of Misty massively. I will say the plastics have come up. These are really dark, so I imagine they've had a bit of a restoration, to be fair. But yeah, just Kip, if you're watching, you've got an absolute bargain, man.
We're getting way too sidetracked, so we're actually going to finish doing the auction bit now, like we said we would, instead of getting super sidetracked with Mr. 2s. But you guys know us.
If you know, you know.
We can't help ourselves.
And I'm seeing car parts for sale, so I mean, we're done in a sec.
Ooh.
Look at this little
This
gem.
is cute. What is that? It's a Fiat.
It is a, yes, an old Fiat.
Fiat.
These commonly had issues. Oh, damn. These commonly had issues with their actuators and the headlights.
Subaru.
So you'd find these driving around with one up, one down.
Look at that. I'm the Subies. No joke, there is.
Do you feel the itch? I feel the itch.
The itch to what? Buy parts?
Buy part.
Yeah.
Buy tools.
There is so much.
Zip ties, we got you zip ties. We got metal brushes, we got you metal brushes. We got. That's actually quite cool. We're gonna need a lot of these.
I know a lot of these.
Oh, and it's the braided ones as well.
I know, they're pretty cool, aren't they?
It means they don't flake off like these ones.
Cable ties, look, we've got cable tie organizer. That's mental.
These are cool. I've always been tempted to get one.
What are they?
So these are used to split bolts open.
Yeah, and the nuts, yeah.
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 Which is super cool. Well, nuts, yes. It's nuts.
So on stand with Rtech, there is a car. Is it Huxley Motorsport? It's the most insane thing I've ever seen in my life. Apparently he custom painted this himself, never being able to paint before, so look how crazy this is. Look at the evidence.
Yeah, I mean there's things like inside and out, it's welded, the cage is sweet on it. We had to sit in this, we've got to chat about it.
Yeah.
Everything is super
the
clean.
Body, the arches.
And again, on the Rtech stand, so all done with Rtech, which is insane. I mean, it's so clean. I'm pretty sure, unnecessarily, but they've done it. Every weld on this is TIG, which is very overkill for what we've got going on, but I mean, it's insane. It's insane.
Build.
So, super cool build with Rtech over here.
Yeah.
And yeah.
There's barn finds over here, which I am loving.
Let's go see some barn finds. Because, oh, this is sick.
There's already, like, off the bat. Nice.
This is nice. Barn find 944.
924.
924, yeah.
I don't know why I like it with the dust on. Like,
You like it with the...
like, genuinely.
With the dust on?
I feel like it adds character.
They haven't even moved the window wipers.
No,
Just
I feel like it adds character. I feel like this is good. Look at the Porsche, history of the Porsche. Marks and Spencer's magazine.
That's crazy.
Crazy.
Tow bar?
I don't know, it adds to the character. Like, we've got the hair. I don't know what the vibe is here, but
It's crazy. I do like this vibe.
I do like this vibe.
I mean, this is kind of... But then, does this not remind you of...
I wanted to get one of these for the longest time, the Nissan Cherry.
I almost just leaked our new project. I'm not going to leak our new project.
You leaked my new project?
There'll be something coming soon. I almost did. Not quite. These are sick.
I seem to have found somebody that needs an Rtech welder.
Oh. Yeah. Crust. While we're walking around, we've seen that there's an auto jumble section.
We love an auto jumble.
We love spending money apparently, so we're going to head straight over there. We're going to have a look at some of the products and then look at the rest of the show. But we want to get finds if we can now before they all sell out.
We've just found this shop that does loads of brochures, so we're looking for the... Oh, that's cool. We're looking through the Honda section and then we are going to see if we can find a MR2 one and one.
That's a regular Accord.
That's sick. That's cool. Do you know, I've got stuff like this for my MR2, so I wonder if they have stuff like that here. The cleanest looking NSX you've ever seen in your life. The Honda Legend. I really wanted to get one of these, but they're actually way longer than I thought they were. The Legend Saloon. How clean does that look? The Prelude. This is the dream. I love this car so much. Not that year. I like the different years better.
Is that the one you looked in?
The Accord.
What's this different?
The Accord Saloon.
This is the one you looked in, isn't
The
it?
Accord Coupe. We found a stand that I think we're obsessed with. Look at these. Look how beautiful that is. They don't have any of them for our cars, do they? Unfortunately. There's a... I wish they did. I wish they did like a TRD one.
Yeah.
Seat. We could get the Seat a new badge. No? Signs. Is it a sign?
Show me a sign.
Is it? We both made the same joke. That's so embarrassing. So if you guys have been following along, you'll know that our garage is currently under renovation, and when it is done, you best believe it will be decked out with
anything like this. The shell.
That's
The old school shell.
We have not a contract with Shell, but
we just only use Shell.
we just only use Shell and have a very unhealthy obsession with it. I've heard that it's not the most ethical company. I don't know, but the old school Shell goes hard, and it's the only fuel we'll put in our cars. Chris hasn't actually spotted these yet, but these old school license plates he's gonna lose his mind over. Here he is. You will lose your mind over these.
That's sick.
I know.
Oh,
It's still here. So if you guys don't know about this shift knob, we went to Race Retro last month,
Yeah.
and this shift knob is for an automatic car. We do not own an automatic car, but Chris came back to this shift knob probably like 4 or 5
sick.
times. I don't know what the obsession
We just
is.
don't have an
Yeah, but
automatic car.
why do you like that one?
I don't
Makes
know.
no sense. Like, it's just a shift knob.
It's sick.
Do you know what I mean?
Honey, look, you can get the foot pedal.
I need a set of foot pedals.
Well, here's one for you. So we have just found something that are extremely hard to find, and I don't think we've ever seen one at a show before or anywhere. Basically, I have a denim jacket and I want to sew patches on them. Luckily, my boyfriend can sew. I can't. So
Oh, I see where this is going.
I got a Shell one, and then Chris got a Toyota one. I've been looking for a Shell patch for so long now, and I'm really glad that I've actually finally found one. That's just made my day now. We can go
Can't
home.
believe I'm gonna have to sew now.
But yeah, I'm gonna basically I've got a black denim jacket, and I'm just gonna patch all over it with car stuff. So if you guys know anywhere I can get more patches, or you guys make them, please let me know, and I will wrap it. I will wrap the brand. This is Chris's happy place now. A pile of tools. He will buy these on Facebook Marketplace and just yeah. Some chunky boys there. At these shows, people have the most craziest stuff, and like, you'd never find this on eBay or any of that because people don't know how to use eBay. You come to these shows and you find like things you didn't even know existed.
Things that you didn't know you needed.
Exactly. It's crazy. So we just went around all of the auto jumble, just got some drinks, and then we were like, it says on the screen that there's another hall 5. So
No.
we walked out. There's a whole other hall, guys.
It's like, it's not even that. It's like we walked through a cupboard, we went through the wardrobe, and now we're in Narnia. So like I said, this place is Narnia. So we've just walked through one section, and now we're in just more. And now Lex is going on about Renault vans. Damn! Look at the levers.
Oh, the pillarless.
Pillarless windows all the way through.
Okay.
They're
like stretched out.
Look at the dashes. What?
I think I saw something about these cool cars. They've got really like weird features to them. I can't quite remember what video it was I saw, but I saw a video on TikTok, and there's some really cool features to these cars.
Funky things. I'm more concerned about the car that's just rolled on its side.
Chillin'.
We need one of these. If there's a brand that wants to sponsor us for these, that would be sick. This is cool. I do also appreciate about these shows is that you get a certain different crowd of people that don't cause a ruckus, they're not yelling, screaming, and for the most part people are keeping their children under control, which is also quite a bother. And I've never seen shinier cars. Like, I know that we've got Gravity, but like the absolute dedication is incredible. And the products that they're showcasing and the auction and everything, it's crazy.
The Ford probes, honey.
The Ford probes.
Hear me out. You have no idea how hyped I am about these cars.
I mean, good luck working on that. Like,
No, but you have no idea how hyped I am about these.
they are
I
sick.
really want to get one. And like, they are kind of boaty. Like, look how long they are. Like, they are kind of long, you know? But like, look at it. Isn't that just beautiful? Curves in it. And look at the boot space that you get when you put the rear seats down. Look at that boot space. You're telling me we're not going to get parts in there?
I don't know.
I love it.
They are pretty cool.
I really want to get one. The Mr. Two stand.
Nice blue. An interesting Mark 1.
Yeah, I don't think I've seen that Mark 1 before actually.
No.
Those are really
Those wheels,
Those wheels are on
but
my
in
car.
bronze. Those wheels, bronze. This is a very cool Mark 1. Very old school style kit. Track car clearly inside. Super cool though.
You forget how wide the Mark 1s are at the rear. Like, you look at the Mark 2s and they're so small. You forget how wide they are, I think. I do anyway.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, this is wide bodied. You mean chunky as in like squared off? Oh, that's cool. I don't think I've seen that done before, but I could be wrong. Could be wrong. And also, most of the time on these, people get rid of the badge on the back. So it's nice to see that someone's kept the badge on the back. Personally, I prefer badgeless, but to each their own. Targa top, leather interior, non-turbo, just simple NA. Nice. I think these guys are about to start this, or to try and start this. Let's see. Ah, testing the start. To know that these pinstripes here would have been done by hand is insane. What we were just on about is clear cooling tubing goes hard.
So hard.
I imagine when cleaning that, it's got to be a pain.
Cleaning that, you must want to. But
That's super cool.
I love that.
That's super cool.
GoPros are about to die, but I think we've pretty much shown you guys everything in this show. We're just walking back through some of the trade stands now. It's really refreshing to come to a show that's got like slightly older generation and slightly like you can almost respect the amount of work and time and the fact that people are restoring their cars here. You can see exactly how much work and time goes into it, because I think this show was like a 3 or 4 day show, so people have been doing this for days and it just makes you really appreciate the cars even more. But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and Chris and I have so many projects coming up, so I'm sure you guys will follow along with those. So now's a good time to hit subscribe.